So I don't necessarily expect there to be cases in schools. I think it's inevitable. There probably will be some, but that's not the biggest concern. As we say, it's more as we're opening up society and having more contacts. So that's why we have to find that balance. So this plan is very similar to how we have managed all along, trying to keep numbers small and manageable. So we minimize the potential for transmission, and we also maximize our ability to efficiently find people and make sure that the transmission chains are stopped. So there's no magic number. We did have some experience where there were mostly adults, and we know that it's mostly adults that bring it into a school situation. So we'll make sure that those encounters are done safely. But we've managed that. And there was not transmission to students. There was not transmission widely in any school setting in BC. So we've had a little bit of practice with that, and we will be working very closely with the schools into September and through the fall and winter. I will say as well that there's no specific magic number. As we've said all along, it's a balancing of the numbers of contacts and the safe contacts, so keeping safe distances, making sure that if we can't, that we're wearing a mask, having our layers of protection in place. And that's what will get us through the school year as well. I'm much more concerned about if we have cases that are popping up that aren't connected. Right now, we do have an increased number of cases, but we're able to link most of them to exposure events that we've had in our community, and I expect that will continue. But I will say as well, it is the fact that everybody in BC has done that, has taken this seriously, has made our community transmission rates very low, that reaffirms how safe it is to start things like the important in-classroom instruction that we have for our young people. And we can't say this enough. We have monitored the unintended negative consequences of a number of the measures that we've put in place in BC, and closing of schools has consequences that can be lifelong for some children. We know that children who have fallen behind may never make up. Both the economic and the educational impacts of that for them and for their families and their communities can last for many, many years. We know that there's been an increase in anxiety, there's been an increase in mental health issues with young people, the number of people calling Children Helpline, the families that have had challenges in managing with children at home. We need, schools are essential to our, not only our economy, but to our society and our community. And this is our safest way that we can move forward.